Oh, this is a good one. And you're going to love this. You're going to want to take notes. And then you're going to be inspired because you're going to go out and play. Because we're talking all about face shapes, right? But face shapes with blush placement. I'm going to talk all about that. And Linda, what have you got for us with face shapes?
Well, I'm going to talk about, you and I talk in the podcast about your clothing neckline, what jewelry complements your face shape, and also eyewear.
Right,
But you and I thought we should
right.
do a visual. I'm going to teach you how to find your balance point, and you'll learn all about that when you listen to the podcast.
Right. So I'm going to start us off by teaching you one thing right here visually about blush placement.
Okay.
I'm going to take off my glasses so I won't be able to see, but you'll be able to see what
Yeah.
I'm doing. I've got a little blush on my brush here. I'm going to show you where the apples of your cheeks is and is not. So, and we talk about this in this episode coming up. When we've learned over the years to apply our blush, we've always been told smile and apply it to the apples of your cheeks. And the apples of your cheeks, yes, but don't smile. The reason is then you apply here, I'm smiling, the apple's right there, right? When I
Right.
stop smiling, the apple goes lower and it's too low, and that brings everything down. And we
Yeah.
want, as we age, to bring everything up. So the apple of our cheek is a little bit higher. Wait, I need to look in the mirror at the same time as hang on. The apple of our cheek is a little bit higher, and I'm
Okay.
going to place it right there. And then depending on your face shape, you're either going to go up to the cheekbone and into the hairline, or an arc, or just the apples of your cheek. Was that helpful, Linda,
Very.
do you
I
think?
have
Is that a
never
good
heard of
visual?
that. That was really good.
Right. I think that's really, really helpful. Okay, now I can see again.
Okay.
Oh, there you are. Okay. So I want to teach us how to do balance point.
Right. And this is the balance point is a technique that artists use when they paint portraits. And they create balance between the length of your face and the opening of your neckline. And it does create symmetry and balance. So I wanted to show you how to measure your balance point. So what you're going to do is you're going to find your hairline. And if you wear bangs, let's say I had bangs, I would start at the base of where my bangs end for this measurement. But I don't wear bangs. I usually, push my bangs to the side. So I'm going to start with a string at the top of my hairline and measure just to the end of my chin. Then I'm going to hold the string there and pull down, and wherever that string ends is my balance point. And what you can see is my necklace ends at my balance point. So that's creating symmetry. I have the same length from my chin to the bottom of my necklace, or my opening of my neckline, to the top of my face. And it's like a reflection. And it's beautiful.
It's
It's very
brilliant. And
proportional.
you'll really want to go listen to this episode
Yeah.
to really understand what Linda's speaking about. And we're going to speak about that and the cheek placement for all the face shapes. So you're going to love
Yeah.
that. And this is
Yeah.
just for you. You'll find your face shape and you're going to learn so much. So this is permission. You're going to go out to the sunglasses store and you're going to play with all the different sunglasses shapes. You're going to go to the clothing store and try all the different necklines on, jewelry shapes for earrings and necklaces,
Yeah.
and you're going to sit down in your vanity and you're going to play with your face shape and blush placement. So go
Yeah.
have fun, listen to the episode, take notes, and then go play an experiment.
Yeah. Go
Yeah,
have fun and be intentional. That's the thing. We want
that's
knowledge is power, ladies. And we can do whatever we want with our face shape and love it. Feel beautiful.
right. And before you go, you can always reach out to me for a consultation. I give various consultation times and prices. There's a complimentary consultation up all the way up to a year-long package. So if you want more help along these lines, that's what you can do. I'll put the link in the show notes.
Highly recommend it. All right, let's go do this.